Something's dead. Oof. That is not friendly on the nose.
Oh, I am dumb. Okay, so I've been this whole time for the past like 2 minutes, I keep smelling the dead thing, and I'm like, what is that? It's horrible. But I'm wondering why I haven't lost the scent yet, because it's still going. I just remembered, look what's in front of me. That is a garbage truck up there. So I'm quite literally following the scent of that, which that guy just flew around. You're gonna have to zoom in on that one, but yeah, I guess they were tired of the smell too. It's not a garbage truck, but it's like one of those dumpsters. You know what I mean. Yep, smell's immediately gone. That makes so much more sense. It's weird they couldn't go this fast 5 minutes ago. Must have hurt their feelings. Alright, we're gonna find out where this road goes. Hopefully somewhere I know, otherwise I am cooked. Of course he's fitting the stereotype in tailgating. I'm be honest, I have no clue where I'm at. I don't think I've ever been back here before. But it is kind of nice. None of them can drive either, like ever. That's hilarious. I'm gonna turn around right here just because I don't know where I'm at or where this goes. So before I get too lost. Hopefully no one comes around the turn. I might know where that goes if I keep going straight. I don't know. Maybe next video I'll do that. It's a clapped out Jaguar. You don't usually see those. Jaguar. Sorry, however you want to say it. Is this light ever gonna pick me up? Also, am I supposed to go down around this thing in the middle? Cause I'm not trying to do that. Yeah, this light's never gonna pick me up. Oh, it did apparently. Oh no, it must have got them. Yeah, they have a green light if they're ever gonna go. Who the fuck designed this shit, dude? Sorry for cussing. Family friendly. It's hard to remind myself, I guess. Hello. I don't know what to talk about for the rest of the video, so instead I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on how to get to my house from here, if you want to come find me and hang out. So what you're going to want to do up here at the stop sign is you're going to want to just kidding. I'm not going to do that. I'm not that dumb. Please don't find me. I've already had people do it and try to. I would like for that to not happen again. I like my privacy, so please don't. I just want to live a peaceful life without drama. For what's left of it. I On a serious note, I genuinely don't know what to talk about. Like I'm just not here right now mentally. So I'm gonna keep recording until I get home. But unless nothing interesting happens, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. So that being said, thank you for watching. Nice Corvette. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. Please leave a like if you did enjoy it. It helps me out. Hate asking, but that's what you gotta do. And hope you have a good rest of your day, night, whatever time you watch this. I will see you the next time I go riding, hopefully sometime this week. But either way, it'll be probably 3 or 4 days from the time you see this video. So, have a good couple days. See you later. Good job, buddy.